Welcome back, guys. Today I am back with Smokey Grilled Burgers. The recipe is so simple yet so delicious. And most importantly, when you make burgers at home from scratch, you know the ingredients and you know what you are adding to your plate. And you can totally customize it by adjusting the ingredients and adding more healthy options, which keeps you guilt free after having a full burger. So let's jump to the recipe. We are making beef burgers today. You can also use minced lamb or minced chicken instead. Here I have taken 1.2 kgs of minced beef and to it add salt to taste in parts for the ease of mixing. Use 80-20 ground chuck, which means 80% lean beef to 20% fat. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. After adding garlic powder, we'll dry roast 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. We'll dry roast for 2 minutes to bring out the full flavor of cumin and mustard seeds. Keep on stirring the spices so they don't burn, and then transfer to mortar and grind to make a powder and add directly to the minced beef. Add a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 egg. Mix them properly and our mixture to make burger patties is now ready. Apply some oil on your palms to prevent sticking and start making equal sized patties. When you are satisfied with the shape of the patty, then make a thumbprint indentation in the middle of the patty, which helps the patty to hold its shape and prevent it from puffing up and bulging in the center. By doing so, you can also prevent the shrinking of the patty. Before placing meat, make sure the charcoal has burned to an even temperature and then apply some cooking oil to the grill before placing the meat. This helps the food from sticking to the grill. Cook on one side for 5 to 6 minutes and then flip after you see a change in the color of the patty, otherwise the meat will fall apart. After flipping, do not press down on the patty, as it will release the desirable and flavorful juices into the fire. You can already see nice grill marks on the patty. I have also placed some onions on the grill to roast at high temperature. We'll still get an onion flavor, but it will be a lot more mellow. While our onions are roasting, let's quickly make our spicy burger sauce by mixing just 2 ingredients, mayonnaise and hot sauce. Add your choice of cheese slices on top of the patty and let it melt. Toast some burger buns on the grill, and when they are done, apply the spicy sauce generously that we made because nobody likes dry burgers. Place some lettuce on top. And add a sliced tomato. Then place the beef patty directly from the grill onto the bun. Add grilled onion and place some dill pickle on top. I also like to add some goat cheese on my burgers. That's totally your preference. You can add or skip any ingredient you like or not. And here we go. Our smoky beef burgers are ready. I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, please share this video with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.